Welcome to Big Man Motors. This is the Orsett car show today. So we just made our way here. It's only a short distance from home, and we're heading in the queue, and we'll be setting up and come back to you shortly. See you in a bit. Okay, so this is at the Orsett car show. A really good turnout this year. So we're going to have a little wander around and see what we can see. I'll take you with me as we go. So we've got the Barnstormers, which is the Vauxhall Opel Club. There's a really nice guy over here called Nev, and he handed me a set of Sierra front mats that were his dad's. A couple of nice Opel Monzas there, 3 of them. Oh, that's nice, Mark II RS 2000. That's lovely, beautiful condition. Chocolate brown interior as well, that's lovely. Right, let's see what else we can see. Oh, Triumph and MGs, Triumph Stag. Minis over this side. Loads of minis. Whenever you see this many minis, you should be going, it's the Self-Preservation Society. Should be all full of gold bullion, these things, shouldn't they? There's some beautiful stuff here. Nice Chevy truck there, 68. Corvette pace car. A nice P100. With a P100 Cosworth grille. Exactly the same grille as a Cosworth, but not painted, and people charge fortunes for them. Nice Charger RT over here. That's beautiful. So what we've actually got here really is the bullet scene, haven't we? Because we've got the black Charger and we've got the nice green Mustang with Steve McQueen at the wheel. Look, that's fantastic, isn't it?
I don't know.
We've got the 2CV from For Your Eyes Only. Lovely 59 caddy, a Gran Torino. Starsky and Hutch Gran Torino. Nice Chevelle SS 350. I've deliberately come around the back of this because this is a bit of a nice one. Any Burt Reynolds fans? Nice Bandit Trans Am. 6.6, and it's got the fire chicken on the hood. That is beautiful. That is very nice. So many here. It's got to be 3 times as many cars as there were last year. Lovely Mark 1 Transit camper. That's wonderful, that is. Oh, hello, we've got a bit of a gangster here. Nice ST170. Lovely old Spitfires. TR7. That's the Essex Rebels. Lovely old Mark II Cortina. Ah, that's a nice Mustang. Lovely old Anglia. Mustang Cobra. Let's wander over this side. Challengers. Oh, original SVT F-150 Lightning. That's lovely. Any Mopar fans? There's your Challengers. Nice Cobra. Shelby. Always nice to see the snake. GT 500. Beautiful. A few more Challengers. Capri 280. Very nice. Making a beeline for the old Fords over here. Can't help it. Yeah, Grant from Grant Smart Repairs, he recommissioned a Granada almost the same as that. I'll have to go back and check. I don't know whether it was two-tone or single-tone, the one he looked at. But that's a lovely old thing. .5 litre Triumph. Anglia ragtop.
That's the dream.
Old original Datsun Bluebird. Mark 1 Cortina. And Mark 1 Escort 1300E next to it. Oh, now over here is the Granada Club. Nice Mark 2. The very low hanging back box, I don't know, right? Mark 1 XL automatic. Let's go around the front of them. Now I know this car. This has got the Cosy lump in it. So this was down at Grove Garage where my car was down there. Yeah, I remember this being down there. Mark looks after this one. Lovely Mark 1. H-Reg Mark 3. Nice 28i. Straight injection sport estate. It's an original Essex car as well, that one. Oh, 24 valve conversion. Done by Top Boss.
Right, just before we do the first one, we're going to get all our girls wrapped onto the dance floor now. We're advertising a company called
Nice 2.8 gear, a bit bubbly on the arch. Lovely old car. Starting to make my way back.
Are you ready, girls? I'm going to show you now.
Nice Mark 4 XR3i over there. It's very clean. Lovely RS500. What's going on here? This is the Scooby-Doo crew. There's Shaggy there. Oh, there's a Joker. Posing for photographs. I shall leave him to it. A few quids of 500 there. It's lovely. Lovely 2.8 injection Capri. Nice Mark 3 Capri, or to put it absolutely correctly, according to the clubs, a Mark 2 facelift. Nice Locus 7 there as well. Triumph Mayflower. Micro, don't see many micros these days. Moggy Minor. I do love the old Ford hot rods. Both got Chevy V8s in them by the looks of it. Yeah, it's a Chevy, distributors at the back. Ahern skips have got their rat rod. Very nice. C10 square body there. Back here we go, back to the Big Man Motors stand with Mrs. Big Man Motors sitting there minding the car.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is basically what strong side is all about. Right, we're going to sliding now. Are you ready?
Everyone's starting to leave now. It's been an absolutely fantastic day. Thinned right out. We've had some really good cars that we've seen. Haven't videoed much of it, unfortunately. I went for another wander without the camera. We had lots of people coming up looking at the Sapphire and having their pictures taken with it. There's lots of positive comments about it as well. There was only 2 Cosworths here, mine plus an RS500, which we saw earlier. And obviously the Mark II Granada with the Cosworth engine in it that we know is looked after by Mark at Grove Garage. I've seen that there when I've been down there. But thoroughly good day here, recommend it to everybody. The same company, Haddon Events, that have put this on, do another event later on at the year at Barley Lands. So I'll put a little thing up about that in a minute. Thoroughly recommend if you're in the Essex area, come along and hang out. Have a good chat with everyone. Everyone's really friendly. So yeah, that's it for today, I think. We're going to pack up soon and head back. But thoroughly good day. Really appreciate everyone's comments, and let's do it again. See you next time. Cheers. So you may have seen there, I did a little outro, and as I'd finished and put the camera down, there was a little guy stood in the distance behind me, and he was very upset that he didn't get to sit in a car at the show, and a lot of the cars had gone home. So he was offered, would he like to sit in the Cosworth, and he did, and he loved it. And his mum and dad gave me permission to put a little clip in of him in the car. So Alex, thank you, mate. You made the day for me. I hope you had a good show. I know I had a good show, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye. Even interest in the car by the youngsters.
Go on then, baby. Where are we driving to then? Where are we going?
Do you want to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, if Mummy and Daddy scan the barcode on the back sticker, they'll be able to see you on YouTube. You wave. I'll put a little video together in the week and I'll put it in there.
Oh, that's
all right.
Thank you so much.
That's all right.